Our next stop on an Everyday Sommelier summer series is New Zealand, which has the perfect climate to produce some of the world's finest Sauvignon Blancs. Here we go. New Zealand is the perfect spot to grow an exceptional Sauvignon Blanc because of its unique climate with lots of sunshine and diverse soils. These conditions allow the grapes to ripen slowly and develop powerful flavors that create a refreshing acidic wine. It pairs well with fruit, vegetables like asparagus or artichoke, grilled or herbed chicken, and even a light summer salad with citrus dressing. Now this is a dazzling New Zealand Sauvignon Blanc, Echo Bay. It's zesty with notes of passionfruit and grapefruit with a clean, crisp finish. This bright, tropical, aromatic wine is symbolic of this beautiful island country. Now remember, a great bottle of wine can be easy to find, and you can find this beauty at your local wine shop for around $15. Cheers!